Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
How is it going?
Good
Great.
morning,
Good.
ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Oh,
ma'am.
we are doing great also.
Good. Can you all see me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, the thing is, I have to write all your names so that I know who all are there, who are not there, and all of that. So, what we'll do is, we'll quickly keep saying the names. Let me grab a page. Just a second. So, we were in, remember? Tell me about yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So we'll
ma'am.
do the people who have not done, we'll do that. I do not want to leave it for anyone. You all should have a fair chance to talk, and we'll do concentrate on more of talking. Thank you. Okay, so I'm gonna have all your names. And I'm going to keep a record of who needs what, and we'll see whoever needs some other special classes and everything. We're going to talk about it. Okay? You have to
Okay.
come and tell me where you all are struggling. So let's start. Kaustav Chakraborty left. Okay, to write the names. Babu Adhikari. Okay, so I was gonna start. A lot of you finished. I think Abram, you sent me the writing, right? I could not check it. I think Abram, you're there. Shrikanta. Kingshuk. Debraj. Okay. Vikram. Uttam. Okay, who's gonna start?
ম্যাম কি বলতে বললেন?
So we were doing tell me about yourself, right? ওটা করছিলাম আমরা।
ম্যাম
Yes, ma'am.
আমরা কিছুজন মতো ম্যাম আগের দিন বলেছিলাম, তো কি আমরা আবার রিপিট করবো ম্যাম, না যারা বলেনি তারা?
যারা বলেনি তারা বলবে একটু।
Ma'am, have you noted the names? Those who have and who haven't told that tell me about yourself.
No,
Have you
that's
noted?
what I haven't done that. Shubhadeep. Why are people leaving? So everyone spoke other than these people? Nobody wants to speak, right?
Ma'am.
I think,
Yes.
ma'am, they are afraid of speaking.
That's fine.
Ma'am, may I start?
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am, and to all of my classmates. I am Orpon Mondal. I live in Baripur, South 24 Parganas. I have passed my class 10 board examination from BD Memorial International in 2020. I am currently studying Diploma Engineering in Computer Science in Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Science and Technology in Govindpur, and I am also planning to go for higher studies. I'm 17 years old and I love reading books and movies based on science fiction. Thank you, ma'am.
Good, Arpan. So you wrote it down and said?
Yeah, actually in last class I had written it down.
Okay, but you did not speak?
Ma'am, I could not speak in last class, ma'am. People were asking regularly one after the other, and I could not get the chance to ask.
Okay, now quickly tell your names so that I keep writing. Okay, one by one, keep telling me your names. Okay, I have it here as well in the list.
Ma'am, my name is Orpon.
I wrote Orphan. I wrote your names. Second. Oh my goodness me. There's so many names. What do I do? Should I copy that? Okay.
You can probably ask them to write their names in the chat box.
Oh, no, that will be difficult to catch up. Arnima De. Are you there? Arpan Ghoshal?
Hello, ma'am.
Hi. Are you there? Okay. Okay. What I'll do is, that there's so many names. I don't know how to get into this. It's gonna take me 10 minutes. So should I
Ma'am.
give you a topic? Yes. So
Ma'am,
tell me
if you
one thing.
ask, ma'am, what I was telling that if you ask Shubho sir will provide you a Excel sheet of our attendance. You can get every students out there.
Yes, that is true. I did ask them. They said, "Look, not right now. I can give you, but it's okay." So Orphan, one that I just wrote. Bikram. Bikram, are you there? Bikram. Bikram.
Yes,
left.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bikram is there. Bikram, did you speak
Yes,
earlier?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Vishal. Vishal, you there? Vishal is not there. Okay, not there. Okay, Chandan Chaudhary,
Yes, ma'am.
you there? Did you speak, Chandan?
No, ma'am.
So, why don't you tell us about yourself, Chandan?
Ma'am, I was absent
Now
yesterday class.
you have to tell us about yourself.
Why? Okay, I am Chandan Chaudhary, ma'am. I am.
What's your Chandan Chaudhary?
Yes, ma'am.
So it's written Chandan Chaudhary. That's not your name.
Sorry, ma'am.
It's written Chandan Chaudhary.
Yes, ma'am. I am Chandan Chaudhary.
Oh, Chandan. Okay.
I passed my HS from Deshbandhu Vidyapith High School, which is in Kolkata. I live in Kolkata. My আর আর কি বলবো ম্যাম বুঝতে পারছি না মানে
So you heard Arpan saying, right? Arpan ekhoni boleche. You heard him what he said, right? তুমি আর কি বলতে পারো কোথায় বড় হয়েছো তোমার parents where have you done your which place you come from, what is your future plans?
okay I will be an engineer.
I wish to be an engineer.
Yes ma'am, I wish to be an engineer. Okay. Sorry ma'am, হচ্ছে না.
So this was given 2 classes back, and I was expecting that you all will be ready with this.
Okay ma'am.
So you have to practice this, right? It's only about telling about yourself, nothing else. Nijer bishoy bola, এর থেকে বেশি কিছুই নয়. Okay, so I wrote some names. I'll keep writing it during the class. Yes, hi.
Ma'am, can I try?
Yes, please.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Dibbangana Pututundo. I am 19 years old. I pursued my higher secondary education at Rashmani Balika Vidyalaya at Baripur, and now I am studying a diploma at Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Science and Technology. I want to complete my BTech from Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology. My dream was to get a job at a reputed company, and I love to travel. So my dream is after getting a job, I will want to go at various places with my parents, and in this year, I will do my work so hard that I can reach my goal and lead a grateful life. That's all, ma'am.
Good. Very good. So, Dibyangana, why you did not speak in the earlier class? You were not there?
Ma'am, I was not getting a chance to speak, ma'am. So.
Okay. So, Dibyangana, you don't have a problem with your English, right?
No, ma'am, but sometimes I feel nervousness to speak English because this is the
So
first
there
time.
is a wrong sentence when you say I will this year I am going to so work hard. I think you said something differently. What did you say?
Ma'am, I will do my work hard.
I will do. So here do and work both are verbs, right? Verb মানে কি হয়? একটা action হয়, একটা ক্রিয়া হয়, right? That's যেটা
Yes,
কাজটা
ma'am.
হয়। Do টাকেও কাজ বলা হচ্ছে, work টাকেও কাজ বলা হচ্ছে। So you will not use two verbs. So I'm going to do whatever is necessary or I'm going to work hard because work এখানে হয়ে যাচ্ছে verb টা। বুঝেছো?
Okay, ma'am.
So I'm going to work hard this year as much as I can so that I can reach my goal. Okay?
Okay,
But
ma'am.
it was good. Okay, anybody else? So, Dibyangana said, Deepu Gayan. Deepu Gayan, you there? Gaurav Sarkar. Gaurav Sarkar. Anybody else who wants to talk? I'm going to write down your names who are not talking. So,
Hello, ma'am.
you know, you'll be answerable.
Hello,
Yes.
ma'am. Can I try?
Yes, please.
Hi, ma'am. I am Subroto Gumta. I live in Narghat of Purva Medinipur beside the river of Haldi. I am 18 years old and I pass out my HS exam from Bagdaba Jalpai High School of Purva Medinipur, and still I am a student of bioscience, and now I am studying at Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Science and Technology from a diploma course of mechanical engineering. And though still I am a cricket player, but my hobby is poem writing. Since 5 years I am a writer, and I since 5 years I read so much poem, speech, poetry, and some essays, and I'm 2 times district champions for reading some poem and debate. Now my life goal is to earn a better job for a reputed company and to be happy in my life, and that's it, ma'am.
Very good, Shubhata. So you write poetries of in which language? Shubhata, you write poetries from which language?
Bengali, ma'am. Bengali.
Okay. Bengali. You should read
Because
one
I am
for
from
us.
Bengal medium, so
That's okay. Of course, Bengali is a very rich language.
though I am a Bengali medium from 4 and 5 years, I read poem and speech over Bengali.
Okay, so you should be able to express very nicely, right?
Yes, ma'am. I can try to share my feelings throughout the lines that I can feel throughout my life.
Mm-hmm. So why didn't you speak before?
Actually, ma'am,
It's okay, I'm just generally asking you.
yes.
You have to identify the problems.
No, ma'am.
Like,
No problem. আসলে আগের ক্লাসটা আমি প্রেজেন্ট ছিলাম না, টেকনিক্যাল ফল্ট প্লাস আমার শরীরটা একটু খারাপ ছিল তাই।
okay, are you fine now?
Yes, ma'am. Now I'm fine.
Okay, fine. So I'm glad that you all are speaking up. See, now because
Thank
I
you,
am
ma'am.
listening to you, each one of you, I see no one has a problem with English. Most of you are scared of speaking or shy of speaking.
Yes, ma'am.
You can yourself see, right? All your friends are all talking. You're talking in English, right? If you do not know a language, you will not be able to speak it at all, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, okay, tell me one thing, that what was the last thing we were doing before this? So we finished with the
The
communications.
Ma'am, we were doing phonetics.
Oh, phonetics we'll do one, maybe we'll do tomorrow. But what about the other part that we were doing so we finished with the communication cycle, right? Now you all have started speaking, which is a very good
Yes,
sign.
ma'am.
So responding, talking, asking me, how are you doing? These are like initiating yourself into small talk so that you can make an impression, you can make a rapport, you can build a relationship, even with yourself as well as with me, right? And you have started doing it, right? And I see that you all are
Yes, ma'am.
getting in, and this has to grow. So people who are not doing, people whom we cannot see talking, we need them more. You know, asking simple questions. This is called small talk. Like, how are you doing? How was your day? Hope you have a great day. Are you feeling well? What's going to happen in our class today? Did everybody check out with the news today? So you initiate a conversation. You getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Did I explain you the visual vocal part to you all?
Ma'am, can you please can
you all please tell me that whether I showed you this, you know, the circle with visual, vocal, and verbal, 55% of visual and all
Yes, ma'am.
that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You have shown it. You have shown it.
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
I showed it. So now here, what is happening with us? Understand that I cannot see you, though you can see me, but I cannot see you. So my impression or my assumption of you and your personality is only through your voice and the way you are talking and the way you are speaking, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It might be a new normal. It might be a new normal in the years to come. Like in a lot of companies, they will just initiate doing work like that online, where you are just in a call, you're talking about the work, you're doing it. But how that person is going to feel comfortable with you? By the way you talk. Am I
Yes, ma'am.
right?
You said it right.
So your involvement, which is like you're talking. I know there's so many of you who knows to talk, but still they are not talking. They're quiet. So being quiet in an organization is considered to be rude. কোনো অর্গানাইজেশনে যখন এরকম কলস হয়, এখন তো এরকমই হবে। আর এমনিও যখনও ছিল না, like if there was no pandemic, even then তখনও there was calls, right? Calls তো সবসময় চলছে, because everybody is
Yes,
working
ma'am.
in different time zones. তখন যখন তুমি কলে রেসপন্ড করছো না, it will be similar like that. এরকমই হয় ব্যাপারটা. It's the same thing. But if you do not respond, it is considered to be rude. এটাকে rude মানা হয়. So you understand, you're just communicating, responding is so important.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
You all have to talk. You have to talk a little bit, because that is the key for you to, you know, build a rapport. Payal, are you
Ma'am,
there?
can you please the meaning of rapport? I don't know.
Rapport is
ইয়েস
the
ম্যাম আমি শুনছি ম্যাম
আচ্ছা আনসার দিতে হবে তো আর শুনছি বললে হবে আমি কেমন করে বুঝবো শুনছো সো
ম্যাম একটু কথা বলছিলাম তো মার সাথে ওই জন্য ম্যাম আমি শুনতে পাইনি ম্যাম আমি শুনছি ম্যাম আপনি বলুন
okay settle down okay so rapport anybody who knows the meaning of rapport so rapport is
না ম্যাম
basically
র্যাপো মানে কি জানি না
rapport is building relationship with a person some good relationship যেটাকে বানানো হয় একটা impression যেটা বানানো হয় ওটাকে বলে rapport build করা you getting
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Got it.
so you kind of build your
Yes,
own
ma'am.
rapport তোমার একটা image create করছো যখন আমার সঙ্গে কথা বলছো যখন you know you're talking to each other in every way you're building a rapport you're building a image about yourself to the people so amar dharana we have done with the visuals we have done with the KSA right skills knowledge
Yes, ma'am.
have we done the 7 C's of communication
Ma'am, actually, you haven't done this. That part was done by, I think, Tuhin sir. Yes, ma'am. Tuhin sir. Tuhin sir has
it's,
done.
that's fine. Whoever is done
Ma'am,
so you know what
reputation.
sorry
Ma'am, rapport full from টা কি reputation মানে কোনো
it's not a full form rapport itself is a word though the spelling is different rapport but our rapport artita is silent so we call it rapport
okay ma'am
Okay.
so rapport okay so you have done the 7 C's of communication okay now
Yes.
can then probably I should get into the what we call as interpersonal skills okay did I make the team leads for this group
No, ma'am.
oh I haven't so what we're going to do is are you sure I haven't told you like to figure out who is good with what with the extracurricular activities
Yes, ma'am. You said
make-
you have said it. You have said it. Actually, I didn't understand that what you were saying.
yes
It was
so
yeah,
who
yeah,
was
yeah.
responsible for that I made 2 captains right
Yeah, ma'am. Your voice is not coming up.
yes I muted it 1 minute so just a second
Okay, ma'am.
okay so I made 2 captains if I'm not wrong did I
Yes, ma'am.
Or
You
I
have
did-
made. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You have made
Who is-
2 captains, but, ma'am, I don't know who are the captains.
No, ma'am, you haven't made, ma'am. You just said to decide. You just gave
Yes,
us the
ma'am. Yes,
task.
ma'am.
and
Yes,
say-
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. But nobody decides. Nobody has decided.
so who's going to take it voluntarily are you going to say
Ma'am, what
Nilanjan?
would be the
ম্যাম আই থিঙ্ক
what would be the work of
ম্যাম আই থিঙ্ক
the
নীলাঞ্জন or সৌম্যদীপ is the best of the captain
okay I wanted a girl
Ma'am,
also so we'll have one
ma'am,
more
can you
girl
tell me the job description? Can you tell me the JD of captain?
leader should always be ready to do everything right so the job description the your responsibility is to you know talk to everybody and make channels like make segregate the entire class into divisions where you divide them for somebody who's good with music so music can be like vocal it can be instrumental it can be playing something it can be writing a song no we'll put writing in some
Yes,
other
ma'am.
place
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'd like to
That-
grab the opportunity because this will help my communication skills to develop my communication
We'll
skills.
have Shomadeep and Nilanjan. Well, we'll just write the names. Shomadeep, you're okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm okay with that.
And Nilanjan. And we need one more girl. We need a girl. Come on, girls.
ম্যাম মৌমি
Momi.
না ম্যাম
Sure.
আমি ম্যাম
ম্যাম
আমি
ওখানে
অতটা
অনেকেই
ভালো
আছে,
নই ম্যাম
যাকে হোক
মৌমি বেটার
যাকে হোক নিয়ে নিন না, ওখানে অনেকেই আছে আমাদের গ্রুপে তো।
Ma'am, Tripti can in, ma'am.
Yeah, Tripti is good too. So Tripti is definitely going to be.
Mom is
What
better
else?
than me.
It's like you all think like that. It's not that I'm telling you to do everything. I want the person who can pull everyone out. Who do you think you can? Girls.
Yes, ma'am, Tripti.
Okay, Tripti. Tripti, you're voted. Okay, Tripti. So 3 of you. Now your job is you all should have the list. Now, if you want to write it, Nilanjan, Shomadeep, and Tripti, write the the segregation. The first is music, which will include vocals, in playing instruments, and dance. Dance can be another category. Then we will have recitation. We will have writing. So writing would include narration, scripts, writing this one, poetries. Recitation is different when you're reciting and one is writing. Okay, so 2 different categories. Are you guys writing it?
ম্যাম
Yes, ma'am.
ম্যাম
Yes.
এগুলো কি আমাদের করতে হবে দেন সৌম্যদীপ নীলাঞ্জন আর তৃপ্তিকে কি জমা দিতে হবে ম্যাম
No, you have to first put your names in the respected category. Let me first finish with the category, otherwise I'll forget. Stand-up comedy. Then we have art and craft, which will include, painting, sculptures, all kind of painting, all kind of sculptures, craftings, doing the paper crafts or any kind of craft. And then the next one is the editing, video editing, digital work, any kind of digital work. Okay, and photography.
ম্যাম সেগুলো কি ম্যাম ওই ভলান্টিয়ারদের মানে জমা দেবো ম্যাম তাই তো
No, you don't have to think what you have to do. First, you all have to write your interest. If I missed out anything, Nilanjan and Shomadeep and Tripti, if I missed out with something, add a category and know
Ma'am,
who are good.
have you include the instrumental category, instrumental playing?
In
That's
the
under
music.
that's
Okay.
music. Yeah, vocals and instrumental.
Okay.
Correct. Okay, so if I missed anything, I think I broadly gave you everything. So even speeches, and it's not language, restricted. It can be any language. Okay, so I just want you all to get go to students, find out, and all of you students, you're going to put your names in your interest categories. Give your names to 3 of them, and if you're not getting names, 3 of you, you're going to ask and get the names. I want the names in every category. Okay,
Ma'am,
I mean, if there is no one in any category, that's fine. If you don't want any, you don't have any stand-up comedian in your in your batch, that's fine, you can leave that. But you need to figure out that who is doing what.
ma'am, can you tell me the every category that you have said?
So it's
Ma'am, I have
music.
I can
Yeah,
forward.
oh,
I can.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So please forward me.
Yeah, I'll be
Okay.
forwarding.
So why I need it now, Payal, your questions answer. So we're going to start with interpersonal
Ma'am.
skills. Okay.
ম্যাম একটু বেঙ্গলিতে বলুন না ম্যাম বুঝতে অসুবিধা হচ্ছে
বলছি যে তুমি জিজ্ঞেস করছিলে why do you need this, এটা আমরা কেন করছি, কেন ক্যাটাগরি করলাম, সবাইকে নিজের ইন্টারেস্ট লেভেল শেয়ার করতে বললাম, বিকজ এখন আমাদের টাইম হয়ে গেছে যে আই ডোন্ট ওয়ান্ট যে আমাদের লেকচার্স গুলো জাস্ট অ্যাজ আ লেকচার হবে, ইট হ্যাজ টু বি তোমাদের তরফ থেকে হতে হবে জিনিসটা, বিকজ ইটস ইয়োর ডেভেলপমেন্ট, এটা তোমাদের ডেভেলপমেন্টের জন্য, রাইট? নাহলে তো আমি পুরো বছর লেকচার দিয়ে যাব, তোমরা শুনবে, নাথিং ইজ গোইং টু ওয়ার্ক, ইউ নো, কিছু কাজ করবে না, মানে কিছু হবে না। So what is important is আমরা when we figure out the categories, আমরা এটা বুঝতে পারবো যে তোমার স্ট্রেংথ কোন জায়গাটায় আছে, কোন কোন জায়গায় কি কি আছে। So আর আমি তোমাদেরকে even I'm going to give you some assignments, some project works যেগুলো তোমাদেরকে করতে হবে in a month or two, that we're going to decide with that.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
তোমরা এইসব জিনিসগুলো ইউজ করে you're going to make videos and you know you're going to make demo videos. এখন তো because it's all online, we can also do something live, so we invite people and if we want we can you know put it up in your cultural pages and stuff like that. By this we are encouraging the inside talent and your hidden qualities that you have or maybe you have not realized. Are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose if someone is
Yes,
good
ma'am, yes.
with or some kind of painting, maybe one day we will do a workshop and ask that person to you know teach us one drawing or teach us one dance, teach us one song, you know, so that we become
Yes, ma'am.
we know how to work together. So our topic today that I'm going to start is interpersonal skill, and this is going to be very closely related to what we are studying and what we are going to do. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. So starting with interpersonal skill. What do you all understand by interpersonal skills? Anybody who can tell me what you understand by interpersonal skills? Where am I? Can you all see me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
we can
ma'am.
see you.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are, but I think I'm somewhere lost. I don't know, where am I?
I don't know. I was saying hello, hello. I think my network connection just got disconnected, so that's why.
You all can
Yeah,
see me?
you weren't audible.
Can
Yes,
you all
ma'am.
Yes,
see
ma'am.
me?
Yeah, ma'am,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
were audible.
Yes,
Visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. Yeah. So let me see if I can share. Okay, now you tell me. Oh, okay. So Shubhru sir, who's this? Sir, can you make me the host? I need to share my screen. Who is the host here?
Shubho sir is the organizer, I think so.
And
Shubhru
the
sir, are you
host is
there?
Sudipta sir.
Anybody from the admin department who's organizing the call? I need to share my screen. Can you please let me do that? Yep, thank you. Okay, so where are we? Now, can you see this?
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
We can see.
Okay, now you tell me, what do you all understand by interpersonal skills? Did you তোমরা শুনেছো interpersonal skill term টা শুনেছো? Did you hear
Yes,
what
Ma'am,
interpersonal?
ma'am, I think these are those SQ, EQ, IQ, right? I think so.
Mhm.
it is actually like interpersonal skills are actually like the behaviors or the traits of a person that a person uses to communicate with others, like a particular trait a person follows. That is the interpersonal.
Yes, yes, very, very similar to what you said. Exactly, actually, exactly that is what it is. So it is the nutshell of skill sets that you have inside you and which altogether makes and you present yourself as a personality, which is what we call as interpersonal skills. নিশ্চয়ই কেউ বোঝনি অনেকেই?
Understood.
ইয়েস ম্যাম। না ম্যাম, আমি বুঝতে পারিনি ম্যাম।
Anybody else who did not understand?
ইয়েস ম্যাম, আরেকবার বলুন না।
Yeah, that's better, right? Okay, so interpersonal কে বাংলায় বলছি, okay? In simple example, মনে করো তোমাদেরকে চিকেন বানাতে হবে, right? So তোমার চিকেন বানানোর জন্য কি কি চাই? একটা চিকেন চাই, তারপরে তোমার একটু গার্লিক চাই, রসুন চাই, একটু আদা চাই, একটু পেঁয়াজ চাই, একটু মশলা চাই, রাইট? এই এই 4-5টা জিনিস চাই, তারপরে নুন চিনি চাই to add taste, right? এবার মনে করো সৌম্যদীপ একটা বানাচ্ছে, পায়েল একটা জিনিস বানাচ্ছে, with same ingredients, কিন্তু পায়েল একটু বেশি রসুন দিচ্ছে আর সৌম্যদীপ সে একটু কম রসুন দিচ্ছে, সৌম্যদীপ একটু বেশি নুন দিচ্ছে, তার সঙ্গে একটা চিনির কম্বিনেশন দিচ্ছে, পায়েল চিনি দিচ্ছে না, বাট ইটস মেকিং কিন্তু একটু বেশি ঝাল ঝাল মশলা দিচ্ছে। সো ডোন্ট ইউ থিঙ্ক যখন সব মিক্স করে বানিয়ে দেওয়া হবে দুটো দুরকম টেস্ট হবে?
Yes, ma'am, definitely.
Yes ma'am, absolutely.
Yes.
Right? So that ingredients, যে ingredients গুলো আমি বললাম, ওটা হলো তোমাদের নিজেদের ভিতরের স্কিল। That is, it can be your communication skill, decision making skill, leadership skill, making other person comfortable, your anger management skill. It can be a lot of things. Again, the same skill set might be there with Payal, কিন্তু হয়তো পায়েলের সঙ্গে আরেকটা স্কিল সেট আছে যে ও খুব সফটলি কথা বলে। সো সব যখন আমরা মিক্স করে একটা বের করছি, that is what is your interpersonal skill. That is what we call as interpersonal skill. সবকিছু যখন ব্লেন্ড করে একটা নতুন ডিশ হচ্ছে, সেটা is what we call as interpersonal skill. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am, I understand.
বোঝা গেছে? তার মানে কি হচ্ছে, আমাদের সবার মধ্যে there are many things. কেউ ভালো কথা বলতে পারে, কেউ বাড়িতে খুব ভালো very lovable understanding হচ্ছে, কেউ বাড়িতে খুব ভালো রিলেশনশিপ মেনটেন করছে, কেউ একটু রাগী হচ্ছে। সবকিছু তো ভালো হতে পারে না, রাইট? একটু তো খারাপ খারাপ জিনিসও থাকবে, রাইট? একটুতে রেগে যাচ্ছে, কারোর একটু ইগো বেশি আছে। So all of that mixed together, sometimes certain things, if you have the right balance of your ego, if you have the right balance of your attitude, it sometimes turn out to be positive. মানে ওটা অনেক সময় পজিটিভলি দেখা যেতে পারে। Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
And
Yes,
all
yes,
of this
ma'am.
is not related to English, কিন্তু ইংলিশের এগুলোর কথা হচ্ছে না, কিন্তু there's nothing that is about talking about English. It's about a person. That is what we call as interpersonal skills. Like এরকম হয়, right? তোমাদের বাড়িতে some of your cousin যার সঙ্গে তোমার খুব ভালো লাগে, you're very comfortable, মানে you can go and talk to someone, some of your friends, some of your aunt, even in
Yes,
your
ma'am.
college, I'm sure you connect, কারোর সঙ্গে তোমার খুব ভালো বন্ডিং হয়ে যায়, not because that অনেক বছর ধরে জানছো বা কিছুর জন্য, but for the reason that you somehow feel comfortable and তোমার মনে হয় ঠিক আছে, আমি ওর সঙ্গে একটু বেশি কথা বলতে পারি, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Everyone has that one person in their life, right? Because for some reason that person has shown the comfort level. এই যে এখন যখন তোমাদের সঙ্গে আমরা কথা বলছি, তুমি যখন আমাদের সঙ্গে কথা বলছো, we have created a comfort zone for each other, right? আমি যদি ওই comfort zone টা
Yes,
না
ma'am.
বানাই, বা তুমি যখন ওই comfort zone টা না বানাও, যে I'm very friendly, come and talk to me, okay? So then that is what we call as that that vibe that you show is what we call as interpersonal skill. ওই যে একটা communicate হচ্ছে ব্যাপারটা from your looking at your personality, talking মানে যে the liking ব্যাপারটা যেটা first দেখে আসছে, that is what we carry, is what we call as interpersonal skills. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any questions? Everybody understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Understood.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Understood.
Interpersonal skill is basically the nut skill set under one umbrella. একটা umbrella under এ অনেক কটা skill set যেটা থাকে একটা person এর মধ্যে, সেটাকে interpersonal skills বলে। Now interpersonal skills means inter মানে সামনে, means which we can see, যেটা তুমি লোকেদেরকে দেখাচ্ছ what you are, ভিতরে you may not be that great, অনেকে খুব ভালো করে নিজেদেরকে ক্যারি করতে পারে, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
যেটাতে সে বুঝতে পারে না যে সেই রিয়েল পার্সনটা কিরকম, like all these film stars, all these celebrities, do you know what they do inside their house? অত দেখো
Yes,
drugs
ma'am.
এর ব্যাপার কথা বলছে, অত কিছু, there's so many rumors inside what they are, but when you look at them, when they talk to you, তো ওদের যে actual personalityটা ওটা তো ওরা হাইড করে রেখেছে, that is what we call as image consulting, we creating an image, right? So something
Yes,
that you
Yes, ma'am.
something that শাহরুখ খান ঘরের ভিতরে কিরকম পার্সন হচ্ছে ওরকমই কি হেসে হেসে রোমান্টিক্যালি কথা বলে? Is he like that actually? Not. I mean, it's not
No,
so
ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. So, but
Hello,
his
ma'am.
interpersonal skills are strong because the moment he's out, where he knows that he's noticed, একটা personal zone থেকে বেরিয়ে যখন আসে, his interpersonal skills are like, because he's so used to, carrying himself like that. It can be any personality.
Hello,
So
ma'am.
all
Yes.
celebrities, they all have this habit. এখন জিনিসটা করতে 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 what happens, ওটাই actual হয়ে যায়, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It's very ironical in life, খুবই একটা myth হয়ে গেছে, or ironical is like something that's not true, but again it's true, that আমরা যখন কোনো জিনিসটাকে ভুল জিনিসটাকে বারবার বলতে 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 ওটাই ঠিক হয়ে যায়, correct? Similarly is the personality, আমরা একটা জিনিস অ্যাডাপ্ট করতে 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 করতে, like how people mimic, ওরকম করে কথা বলতে বলতে বলতে, it can be their real personality also. খুব খুব difficult হয়ে যায় identify করা at times,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that
Yes,
is what
ma'am.
we call interpersonal, something that we can see. But there is another term called intrapersonal skills. ওটা শুনেছো? What is it called?
No, ma'am. I'm not heard of the word.
বাট ইন্টারনেট বা এসব এগুলো শুনেছি।
না, intra is TRA. Okay, so that is more of psychological aspect of a personality. Inter আমি যেরকম বললাম যে তোমরা যেটা লোকেদেরকে দেখাচ্ছ, people who can look at you and see you, so you carry a kind of behavior, what you are. But there is something like intra যেটা আমাদের ভিতরে চলে, inside a person. When a person like is deep down depressed or sad, but he still will smile, always has a very consistent face, trying to not show any kind of emotion. That might
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
do a lot of things
Yes,
inside.
managing his emotions.
Yes. Here it's the EQ, where you're able to manage your EQ. তবে ওটার মধ্যে অনেক sectors আছে. There are many. We'll do all of
Hello,
that.
ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Shaumo, I know you want to say. I'll give you time to speak. 1 minute. Let me finish this part.
Okay, ma'am.
So, so that we call as like 4 sectors. If you go through the internet, you don't have to. I will teach you all of that. That's called Johari window is a part of it, where you realize what are your aspects. এরকম হয়, right? A lot of times we say, "Jani na ki hobe." I don't know what's going to happen, right? So there is the place
Yes, ma'am.
which we call as blind spot, যেটা আমরা দেখতে পারি না, আমরা কেউ না তুমি জানো না আমরা নিজেরা জানি। Okay, so all those are more of psychological part of managing yourself, knowing yourself, but that is intra, which we'll do later. But right now what we are focusing on is interpersonal skills. So See, interpersonal skills are the life skills used every day to communicate and interact with other people, both individually and in groups, in both ways, in every way. People who have worked on developing strong interpersonal skills are usually more successful in both their professional and personal lives. So you have to work hard to develop. This is very important, develop. And that is why I told you all to get into this segments of process of your extracurricular activities, because that is going to tell me that what are your strengths, and then you have to use them. Shathe, you also have to know what are your weaknesses. উইকনেস যদি তুমি না বুঝতে পারো তোমার কি হচ্ছে, তুমি ওটাকে কখনো হাইড করতে পারবে না, ওটাকে কখনো কভার আপ করতে পারবে না। So you really have to come up and say what are your weaknesses as well. Okay, so we'll do till this much today, but you all are clear with the fact that what that is about. I don't know how to stop this.
Yes, ma'am.
So
just open
okay.
Then you can stop the screen sharing. Like it's minimized. It's in the staff beside Chrome. It's there. See, in your taskbar.
Okay, view. I don't know. Activate cameras. Okay, I don't know what I did. Can you all see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We are all seeing double screen. We are all.
Ma'am, are you able to see the Chrome like in your taskbar?
Oh yeah, I got
আমি
it.
ওখানে করেছিলাম না, কিন্তু খুলিনি তখন।
জল বসিয়েছে।
Okay, can you see me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this much is clear. I'm going to put it up in the next week, and I'm going to have the name before I'll update certain things. Let Thomas.
তুই হয়তো 4 আর 5 এ এসে দাঁড়িয়ে গেছিলিস
Ma'am,
এই জায়গাটা।
someone
এমনি
unmuted his mic.
Okay,
Gautam,
yes.
please you are mute
তুই তো
my.
এখানটা তো দাঁড়িয়ে গেছিলিস।
না না, আমি খুলেছিলাম কিন্তু
করে?
হচ্ছিল না। এই তো বিয়েতে এরকম
Somebody,
আরে না না, ওটা না, ওটার পরে।
right?
ওটার পরে তো লগ ইনে গেলাম, সাবমিশনে গেলাম। এটার
ওর
Show
পরে
must
log-
না।
না তো
তুই ফোরতে গেছিস?
ওর পরে 5th 4th দেখাচ্ছে।
দেখাচ্ছে আমার কাছে শুধু 4 অবধি।
আমারও, আমি ওই কোন রকমে আন্দাজে ঢিল মেরে 5 এ টাচ করেছি। এই যে এই
ম্যাম
হলো,
আমার মনে হয় ম্যাম ওর মনে নেই।
এখানে দেখ এটা 4 মানে এখানে 6।
হ্যালো
Gautam, can you hear?
এটা খুলছি, দাঁড়া। আমি জিজ্ঞেস করবো, তুই একটা একটা করে বলে দিবি আমার। এত স্লো কি বলবো, যা করছে না। কি আসছে, খুব বাজে
Amazing.
অবস্থা।
We're doing the class.
তাও আমার ভাইয়ের ফোন থেকে।
Can we unmute
সেকেন্ডটাও তো সেম।
him?
কোন রকম
থার্ড লিস্টে ছিল তো।
ম্যাম শুভ স্যার
You can
পারবেন
please
ম্যাম
unmute.
একে লিভ করে দিক দিয়ে গ্রুপ থেকে, তাহলে ম্যাম হয়তো আর শোনা যাবে না কথা।
তাহলে একই হবে, শুধু নাম্বার
Okay, Shoma, are you
রেজিস্ট্রেশন।
there?
ছেড়ে দিয়েছে। 7 নামিয়ে গেছে, অনেক লোকে উদয় করছে ওই জন্য।
মানে খুলেছে, খুলছে না রে।
পরে করি।
আমি শুধু বুঝতে পারছি না যে এইখানে
Please
ফোর্থ
mute yourself,
সেমিস্টারটা কেন
Gautam.
দিয়েছে, কারণ এখন তো ফোর্থ সেমিস্টারদের পরীক্ষার কথা নয়। এই তোর তো থার্ডে ছিল সাপ্লি।
Okay, Shoma, are you there?
কেউ
ছিল।
মেসেজ কর,
Shoma, we are
গৌতমকে
waiting
কেউ
for
মেসেজ
you.
কোনটাই নিসনি।
Yes, ma'am.
Can you call Gautam and tell him to mute?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
someone do that?
নাকি প্রিন্ট আউট তুই বাড়িতেই করবি?
I don't have his number, ma'am.
Tell him to call me back.
কি বলছি, কালার প্রিন্ট আউট লাগবে নাকি এমনি হলেই হবে?
Okay, finally.
ম্যাম আই থিঙ্ক হয়েছে।
I am calling. I have called.
Okay. Okay, so Shomo, are you there? We are waiting for you, right? You wanted to speak?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Thank you, ma'am, for getting the opportunity to speak in front of you and everyone. Good morning, everyone. I am Shomo Sinaroy. I am from Goria, Kolkata 84. I passed 10 from BDMI.
Ma'am, he hasn't muted.
I am calling that time his mic is muting automatically. He is not picking up my call also.
Oh.
I have to call constantly to keep him mute.
Can you, after the class, can you tell him to call
That
me
is
back?
Ezekiel.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. I'll just inform him to call you.
Thomas Sinha, so sorry about it. Please go ahead.
I admitted in CBST with a wish to become an engineer. I used to play cricket. I wish to be successful in life. Listening music is my hobby. And I also wanted to get a reputed job in software companies. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Shomo, you haven't said about where have you come from, where do you live, what was your childhood like, looks like. So, and then the word admitted is not right. Eta shobai shune rakho. When we use the words admitted, admitted past tense হচ্ছে admitted, that is true, but admitted টা generally use হয় তাও একটা content এ use হয়, so admitted সব সময় হসপিটালের সঙ্গে use হয়, okay, so we'll not use admitted, we'll use admission. তার জন্য আমার verb টা দরকার হচ্ছে, anybody who can tell me?
Ma'am, I couldn't follow, ma'am. You were calling him, I couldn't follow.
Ma'am, took my admission.
Yes, took. So আমাদের গ্রামারটা কি রকম চলে, তোমরা গ্রামার পড়ছো, রাইট? সাবজেক্ট ভার্ব অবজেক্ট লাগে, রাইট? তো আমাদের ভার্বটাকে চুজ করে লাগাতে হবে। তখন admitted is a verb, okay? Shomo, don't get confused. Admitted টা verb হচ্ছে, টেকনিক্যালি ইংলিশে তোমার ওটা I admitted in এটা in the college school, but admitted টা contextually wrong হয়ে যায়, because admitted হসপিটালের সঙ্গে ইউজুয়ালি লাগানো হয়। আমরা যখন স্কুল কলেজের সঙ্গে কিছু করি তখন যেটা আছে আমরা জেনারেলি অ্যাডমিশন বলি, তার জন্য অ্যাডমিশনটা নাউন হয়ে যাচ্ছে, তার জন্য তোমাকে একটা ভার্ব লাগাতে হবে, বিকজ সাবজেক্ট ভার্ব অবজেক্ট হচ্ছে, তো ওই ভার্বটা ওখানে হবে আই টুক, টেক এর থার্ড ফর্ম। এটা মনে রাখবে। Are you getting all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Soumya, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So you say, I took admission in this college because I wish to be an engineer and I look forward to work with these companies. But you have to say a little bit about your childhood. Missing. English is not a problem. I don't think so. Did you write it and then speak?
No, ma'am. I told. I just told.
Okay, sounds good. So I'm good about it. So I think after this, in the next class, we are going to talk about the interpersonal skills. I want to have all the names. I want everyone to be involved. Also, the names you did not find out that who's doing what. I'm going to see. I think this Saturday I'm going to be in the college. If I am there, I will let you guys know. If you all can come and see me, we can talk a little bit. Okay?
Okay.
And I also have the names. I did not write all the names. So just a second, I'll tell the names and you all can leave accordingly. So Arpan, Arnima, Bikram, Vishal, Chandan, Chaudhary, Chandan Naskar. Please don't leave right now. Give me 5 minutes. Devanik, Debojyoti Dubey, Dibyangana. Dibyangana, you there? Dibyangana, you are there?
Yes, ma'am.
Dibangana, why are you not responding? You have to respond, right? Arnima, are you there? Deepu Gayan was not there, right? Not available. Gaurav Sarkar, Gaurango Das, Gautam Karmakar. Okay, I need to talk to him. Please tell him to call me, okay? Himanshu, Jaydeep.
Oh, I think he is muted right now.
Yeah, right now that's fine. Kamalesh, Komal Yadav. Komal Yadav, you're there? Komal Yadav. Okay, not responding. Zahiruddin.
Yes, ma'am. Can I speak?
Okay. Yes, why didn't you speak? So your name is what? Zahiruddin or Raja?
MD Zahiruddin Laskar.
Okay. Yes.
Good morning, ma'am. I am MD Zahiruddin Laskar. I live in Sampur. There are 4 members in my family. My father is a farmer and mother is a housewife. I am almost 90 years old. My short-term goal is a good speaker. Because ma'am, I love motivation speaker. And my long-term goal is a software engineer. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So why were you not speaking? Zahid?
Yes, ma'am.
Why were you not speaking before? Sprinkle?
Yes, ma'am.
Sprinkle, you did not speak at all today.
Hey, yes, ma'am.
Why
Hey.
so? Roop Kyle? Roop Kyle? Sandipan? Sandipan
Yes, ma'am.
Haldar? Sandipan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Sandipan, why you did
Yes,
not
ma'am.
speak? Boloni keno? Kotha?
Ma'am, talk to ma'am বলবো এখন?
হ্যাঁ বলো।
My name is Sandipan Haldar. I am living in Diamond Harbour. My mother is housewife. My father is worker. I am also 20 years old. I am passed my school in Bhadura High School. Now I am studying in Diploma Engineering in Mechanical Diploma Engineer in Mechanical Engineering from Sri Lanka Institute of Science and Technology. My hobby is sport cricketer.
Okay, so মাঝখানে একটুখানি there was some network issue, but we got it. So today Shomadeep Bhuta left. He left, right? Sharik, Shrabani, Wasim. Okay, the people who are not speaking, please make sure that you start speaking. I don't know what is stopping you all to speak. Okay, guys, 3 of you should have the names of everyone in the list. Whoever is not into any kind of activity, I need that list also.
Ma'am,
You got it?
how can we find those students or those
You don't have
candidates?
a common group? You don't have a
Ma'am,
common group?
we do have a common group, but everyone is not responding.
I need the names. You know, try getting it. That's your job.
Let's see, we'll just
Yes, ma'am.
sort
Yes,
it
ma'am.
out.
We will try. No, we will just try, but I don't know what will be the
You
result.
can
Because
you know, call me anytime whenever you want. Call me anytime you want, and I'll be there. Okay. Whatever
ma'am.
you're facing by next class, like tomorrow, I know we're meeting. If you can get some names by tomorrow, that would be fine.
And those
Okay.
names that they haven't joined any of this speaking skills, right? Those names you are
And that
wanting.
also, no, anybody who's not into you know, in any kind of activity, even that.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
I wrote some names. I'll not take any more time from you all. I'll write rest of the names tomorrow, and you get me the names as much as you can by tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
দিয়ে দেবো।
Yeah. We'll talk about it tomorrow. We'll do a little more of activity class. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, guys. Have a great
Okay,
day.
ma'am.
Take care.
Thank
Have a
you,
great
ma'am.
day,
ma'am.
you too, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Stay safe. Stay happy.
You too. Stay safe. Thank you.
Not to enter, ma'am.